morning. My name is Jesus Nixe Quintal, and today we're going to talk about markets, especially Crayola super tips. Okay, these are useful for drawing plans or providing better representation in our presentation. Here's examples. Okay, plan I submitted a few days ago. Okay, but using market, I use the yellow or green color. Okay. By using markets, we can give a more representation, in this example, vegetation, allowing the architect to express more clarity what they want to convey. These specific markets are an excellent option because they come with a wide range of colors, have 100 colors, okay? And it's a water based and a washable. You can use them to color elements you want to highlight or even use them in a drawings or interact expressions. With the help of programs like AutoCAD, Revit, or even hand drawings, we can outline or a canvas, okay, on which we can color with markers or a color pencil, and you can create in a project that is usually beautiful and it's easy to understand. It's all for me. I recommended use Crayola Super Dips, especially the edition 100. Okay, uh, it's a good option if you want drawing or you want have a art expression. It's the it's a good option. It's all for me. Thank you very much and goodbye.